Hiyo! Hello dear Afro-Cardanians. First, a small disclaimer. This is an uncut version of a recording I've been trying to make since 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm sorry if there are some mistakes. Please bear with me. Thank you. Okay, so my name is Malik. I'm a math teacher in Abidjan. I'm a PhD in computer science, and I'm part of a team of Cardano enthusiasts that want to grow the Cardano team and the other team in Abidjan, and for that we need your help. So let me explain three things. First, the team, what we do on the ground. Second, the problem that we have to grow the community. And third, what we can do and what we will do with your help. Okay, so for the team, well, now we are two. We are two engineers, myself and my friend Adel, and we talk a lot about Cardano, blockchain, technology, and what we can do with that. We're trying to convince the people in our lab, in our computer science lab, that Bitcoin is not just for crooks, it's not just for speculations, that Bitcoin is limited. Yes, there's problem with the Bitcoin blockchain, but there are already solutions, and Cardano is the best solution that there are. And as for myself, I've got to know Cardano about 2 years ago, and at that time I started to understand that Cardano is really a scientific project, and as a scientist I love the way it's like unfolding slowly and but surely, right? So I even tried to set up my own stake pool last year, but well, could not make it. And one reason for that is because the community around me was too small. So when I came back to Côte d'Ivoire, I started to think, how can we make this community bigger? And I made some, I found Adel, yeah, so we are two now. I had the chance to give a course on the blockchain to civil servants that are in computer science domain. That was in June last year. We did a few presentations in school about a month ago, or 2 months ago, sorry. And yeah, that's what we do on the ground, really. And trying to help people and do some information education about the blockchain. But really, yeah, it's not enough. We want to do more than that. The problem is, well, we don't really have time. Myself, I have a job. Adel is also doing his thesis, and we need an efficient way to touch a maximum of people. And what kind of people? Well, we think that the best people to embrace this technology with us, they are the students, and we need to go towards them, right? Get them to know about the blockchain, but we don't want them to know about the shit coins. We want them to know about Cardano, because Cardano is the best, and we want people that can use their knowledge and their intelligence to build real, workable, strong solutions for the future of our country, right? Yeah. So how do we do that now? That's the problem. So to touch a maximum of students, we are thinking of doing presentations, going to schools, informing people, educating them about the blockchain of second, third generation, and at the end of the presentation, we have a goodie for them. Yep, that goodie, we give them one ADA, one symbolic ADA. It's something they will remember, you know, in 10 years, 20 years time, also they will remember, yeah, I went to that party and we had this ADA and that's how it all started, and, right? So we need some funds to give them ADA, because from our small team can do it for a few students, and actually that's what we are going to do next Tuesday, where we are meeting 30 students. We will give them, at the end of the presentation, one ADA. So we will help them open a Euroid wallet. We give them one ADA each. We will also do that next Saturday. That's the second meeting that we have planned already. Next Saturday, there will be 70 students. That's a bit more, but we can still manage with our own funds. But really, the plan is to do that on a bigger scale with university students, like amphitheaters full of students. That's 200 students. Yeah, that's starting to be a lot of money, and we can't do it on our own. So we need your help to distribute and incentivize the people to embark in the ADA community. Because once they have opened the Euroid wallet and received their one ADA, they can start to give an ear to information about the Cardano news. Some of them, they will embrace the technology, and we hope that many of them will start to learn the Plutus program, because we're going for technological students first, right? I forgot to mention it. They will start to learn Plutus, and maybe others will start to learn about the economic or token economic side. But anyhow, we are sure that with your help and this one ADA that we are going to give to students, they will start to embrace the technology and be on board with us. So this was Malik Kone with Adelph from Abidjan, and we thank you very much for your help. See you soon. Bye.